Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Decide between drop springs, coilovers, or adjustable camber kits for a 1, 5 to 2, 0-inch drop. Each choice changes ride quality, handling, and cost. Drop springs give a fixed lower ride height and cost less, while coilovers let you fine-tune height and damping. Adjustable camber kits correct suspension geometry after lowering. Expect stock ground clearance 8, 7 inches and target 6, 7 inches for a 2, 0-inch drop. Budget 0 to 200 depending on parts and alignment needs, and schedule a 4-wheel alignment after install. Front uses MacPherson struts. Replace strut assembly or install coilover inserts to control rebound and compression for a lowered Outback. Rear uses multi-link arms. You may need camber bolts or adjustable rear lower control arms to correct negative camber and maintain tire wear. Always replace top mounts and inspect sway bar and links when lowering. Worn mounts create noise and poor alignment. Torque all suspension fasteners to factory specs. Tighten with a torque wrench and recheck after 100 miles of driving to confirm settling and fastener security. Get a full alignment. Set camber, toe, and thrust angle after lowering to prevent uneven tire wear and impaired handling. Use tires with correct rolling radius. Consider 235/55R17 or maintain original diameter within 1% to preserve speedometer accuracy and ABS calibration. Check local laws for minimum ground clearance and headlight aim after modifications, and make sure insurance and inspection requirements remain satisfied. Test drive carefully over 50 miles, listen for contact, and adjust ride height or bump stops if the car bottoms out or rubs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.